I'm lifting it up, pulling it. Today we are gonna explore this jumbo slime kit. Let's open it.
What do you have inside your box?
I have different slime
Wow, so many different colored slimes.
and so many different colored foam balls.
Wow, that will be fun to mix in.
And I have so many shapes, so many glitter.
Oh, this is going to be a lot of fun.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna make a mix.
Yes, I am excited.
I am excited, Papa.
I am too.
This is the card.
Okay, let's open the slime and see what we can do with it.
I've opened it.
Okay. Put your finger in and pull it out. And how does it feel?
It feels squishy and stretchy.
Here you go.
Yes.
What color is that?
Red.
Okay, let's put the red in.
I'm gonna put the red in.
Okay. And let's mix them together and see what happens.
And it's gonna be turning in. This is green.
Okay, let's put the green in.
And I'm gonna put. This is yellow. This is.
Do you want to make some shapes out of your slime mix?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Okay, what?
I have an octopus, a dolphin, a starfish, a seahorse, and a lobster, a seashell, a turtle, and a crab.
Okay, let's make some molds and put them on and see if we can make the shapes. Let's take a little bit of slime and make a shape with the mold. What do you want to make?
I want to make a turtle.
Okay, let's make the turtle.
I'm gonna.
Let's push it all the way down. All the way down. There we go. Now let's take out all the extra of the around the turtle. There we go. There we go.
Okay.
There we go. Okay. You pull it out.
Look at how it gets longer.
Look, what do you have there?
Now look at this.
Look at that.
And I'm gonna take out all the extra slime.
Yeah.
Is that the way to do this?
Yeah.
All of it is gone.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's take away the mold and see what we have made. Look at our dolphin. Okay, yeah, that's a pretty dolphin.
He is
Yeah.
silly dolphin.
Here we go.
This is gray. Here, this is orange. This is beautiful.
What color is this?
It's called lavender.
Oh, okay. What color is this?
This is some more dark blue.
Okay.
This is the color sky blue.
Now we have a slime that has so many different colors in it.
Now,
Right?
now what are we gonna add?
Okay, now we can try to put some mix in. So let's add the slime into a bowl.
I added it into the bowl.
Okay, but here's some foam balls. You could add them to the slime and mix it in.
I think. Huh.
You need to add more foam balls.
Yes. Wahaha. Now.
Yeah, like that. There you go. There.
I'm lifting it up, pulling it.
Go. Here's your glitter. Ooh, that's a lot of shiny glitter. Do you mix it in?
Yes.
Okay, let's mix it in.
We big, big. Yeah. Yeah, put the glitter everywhere.
And here's more glitter.
That's super scientific.
Super scientific. It's super shiny, I feel.
It's super scientific shiny. Wow, this smells good.
Yeah, look at all the glitter that's in your slime now.
It's clearly gonna be like this. This way is we putting our slime
Yeah.
for a taco down super ring.
And here is some precious gems. Ooh, look at all those diamonds and sapphires and rubies.
This is the diamond.
Alright, let's put it out so that we could play with our plant. Here we go.
I'm opening. That looks shiny. Gorgeous. Like coffee powder. I had fun playing with this slime. I hope you have fun too.